Can I make the music Bible? The one, zero.
Come on, you spell 0.
It's 10.
Mm.
T-E-N.
Very good.
10.
How about
9.
9? Spell 9.
N-I-N-E.
Okay, very good. How about number... What number do you want to spell? Huh? Don't eat your fingers. What number do you want? Number 6. Spell 6.
Number 8.
Oh, number 8. Spell 8.
E-I-V-X-V.
Yes, very good. Number... What else? Uy,
10.
10. Finish ka na sa 10. What else? Number 2.
Number 7.
7. Come on, spell number 7.
S-E-V-E-N.
What else? Number 1.
Number 6.
Oh, number 6.
S-I-X.
Number 5.
F-I-V.
Ano?
B-E.
Ah, F-I-V-E. How about number 4?
F-O-U-R.
Number 3.
T-H-L-E-E.
Number 2.
T-W.
0.
T-E-O.
Again?
T-E-R-O.
Okay. C-E-R-O. Finished. Colors. What color do you want to spell?
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Oh, sige, yellow. How do you spell yellow?
Red.
Ano? Spell.
It's red the color red.
Oh, spell the color red. Come on. How do you spell the color red? Come on. Red. Red. Red first. Red.
Black.
Okay, black. Gulo mo naman eh.
B.
Come on.
A.
Ako kinukulit mo. Kulit mo ako ha. Sige na, dali na. Spell.
K. Black.
B-L-A-C-K. Okay. What else? Red. Red. Easy lang ang red.
Brown.
Brown.
B-R-O-N.
B-R-O. Ano? B-R-O? B-R-O.
B-R-O.
Brown.
Brown.
Mm.
W.
W-N. Very good.